Hello guys, how are you? It's a pleasure to be back with you now to talk about one or two things that I've just discovered. I've been trying to set up since morning, and I just discovered something. I think I have a fairly good idea now why a lot of people are frustrated and moving towards depression in Nigeria and in Africa. Okay, a lot of reasons, but one reason I've come to discover is that people really don't have much money to spare. But however, the little that they have, when they invest it in tools and technologies they believe is supposed to help them in creating wealth for themselves, all of a sudden you discover that the networks or service providers or the services themselves or the tools, physical tools, hardwares that they are using to work becomes epileptic. It can be very frustrating, not when you put in thousands of naira, and then you discover that the things you've bought, the things you intend to use, even the sellers don't even know how to explain them to you. They don't even know how those things work. All they know is to buy and sell. But however, how those things work, when you come to them to complain, they'll say, Oga, I know sabi operator mo, na I sell like they sell. It's crazy. So that can be very frustrating. That can lead to depression if I've had series of repeated failures, from east, north, south, and west. So that's it. I think I have a good idea now. So I'll be more understanding and tolerant of service providers or ordinary traders that sell IT related products, for us consumers and creators. So it's okay. Just felt I should drop this little knowledge, this little stuff I've discovered today. Like the network for the internet network has been crazy. It's been coming and going. Ordinary WhatsApp you can't do, email you can't check, and the network provider is telling me that my NIN is not linked to my SIM card. It's crazy what you've done several times. So that's just it. I think the reason why a lot of people are frustrated, a lot of content providers are frustrated, is because of epileptic services. My name is Echato Christian Osaze. I hope these little things I have talked about will help you. God bless you. Bye.